The top speed in each gear means it's a fast motorcycle, and the acceleration to 1600 makes it a very quick bike as well. For a person of my height, how about the ergonomics, the design, the features and the overall appeal? Is the bike worth the hype? Well, let's start the video right away. Now, I'll break this quick video into a lot of segments which you want to know. I'll not be talking about the walkthrough because that's live on my channel. The design, the features, all of you know, but I'll touch upon the points slightly. 3 colors on offer coming up on your screen right away. So first is the blue and black combination, blue half tank and the rest is black. Then red and black, again half tank is red, and this is the all black combination. So 3 colors are available for the Speed 400. Now, apart from the colors and the design, something people want to know is about the engine. And no, it does not share anything with the Dominar or the KTM offering. This is basically an all-new engine from the ground up. Made and developed with Triumph, but made at the Bajaj facility. It's a 6-speed gearbox, slipper clutch, liquid cool, all the essentials that you need at this price point. Now, you want to know how quick the bike is, so then the acceleration runs to 1600 with a 100 kg rider coming up on your screen. So yes, the acceleration runs show you it's a very quick bike for the segment. But what about the top speed? Well, I got ample road today in a safe environment to do the top speeds in all these 6 gears. By the way, in the first 5 gears, it easily hits the rev limiter. So without waiting further, here are the top speeds in all the 6 gears.
I will show you the top speed in each gear. Going on to the first.
Now, a bike is not only about how quick or fast it is, but also about the in-gear acceleration, or something we call as the low-end punch required for city usage. Now, here I would say that the engineers have done a very clever job with the bike. For example, in the 6th gear, as you can see on your screen, at 50 kmph, no protest from the engine or the chain. At that speed, you can carry on very easily to 60, 70 as well. Likewise, in the lower gears, around the countryside hills of Western Ghats, 30, 40, 4th gear, 5th gear, overtaking slow-moving traffic, no issues. Speaking of that, we have been on the saddle for 2 hours, and I usually want my motorcycles to be comfortable. This one thankfully has a good saddle. My bum is not aching, not complaining. And speaking of that, the riding triangle is pretty good. I stand 6 feet tall. You can see I have a angle on my knee, which means that anyone who's 5'8", 5'9" will easily want to be on the bike without any issues in traffic conditions. The foot pegs are slightly on the back. The handlebar is short. So you do have a sporty angle coming in. In spite of the sporty angle, the seat is so nice that I have no reasons to complain from the Speed 400. Vibrations, well, mostly through the rev range, they were absent. However, above 6000 RPMs, you can feel them from the foot pegs. The good point, at 100 kmph, 6th gear, you are still under the vibration zone. So mild maneuverability from the bike, very much possible. How is it efficient? Well, across the whole day for 2-3 hours, we rode down from Pune towards Khopoli near Mumbai. With the runs, the top speed, the fun factor, the display was showing 26 kmpl, not bad by any means.
Also, the economy for the last 75 kilometers, including the top speed run and the acceleration and enjoying the bike, has been 26. That's while pushing the motorcycle. So easy with the bike, 30 plus on the display is easily possible. And because the saddle height is pretty low, it's manageable even when you're trying to overtake people from the left. 6 feet tall, so anyone who's 5'8", 5'9" will also have it easy managing it while overtaking a traffic jam like this. So plus point for that. I'll try to just go on the side and go beyond. Scrambler will allow you to easily stand on the foot fix. Extra suspension travel will be handy. I think Triumph has really got it right, and a big contribution from Bajaj as well. The entire team at Chakan needs a special mention. The bikes have taken time, but the wait has been worth it in terms of the package and the pricing.
Display, by the way, has an analog for the speedometer and a DG for your distance to empty, instantaneous economy, the average fuel economy, and the trip meters. What do I miss in the motorcycle? Well, at this price, 2 lakh rupees onwards, we do want, possibly, I'm being a critic, a better looking grab rail, but that's about it. It's a compact bike. Look at this. It's a compact motorcycle, yet feels nice. It's light on its feet. It's peppy. Vibrations are under control, and 3 colors on offer with 10,000 bookings done. The new price is 2.33 lakh rupees at Showroom Delhi. One mention I want to make is that for the export market, the alloy wheels are lighter, different, and the tires are more grippier, but that would add to the cost. For the Indian lot, you have either MRFs or the Apollos coming in. On my bike, I had the MRFs, and in spite of us riding in the rain on cemented roads, I had ample confidence from the tires. The bikes also have a dual channel ABS. Of course, you can't switch them off. Switchable is in the Scrambler X, but for this one, dual channel ABS works very well. Not too much intruding, but gives you ample space to play around. The bar end mirrors, something you've seen in the Super Meteor, for example, are nice. They give you a possible view of what's happening at the back. And overall, I never imagined we would have a bike with the Triumph logo in India at this price. So go ahead, if you've booked the bike, you've done a good thing. If you haven't booked yet, please do. And before ending the video, exhaust note of the motorcycle. The mic is currently near my neck. If I start the bike, this is till now, the Dominar was a very good bike in this segment for the kind of exhaust note, but this matches the Dominar as well. So my verdict on the motorcycle, I would give it possibly a very close 9.5 out of 10, and very soon in October, we're going to be riding the Scrambler X as well.